Kani kadika Pati CTV.
Kawai ka Longkmie ka ba umshim kwa banpan pau kerteng pat kumjuru ya kasnong ka ba kasong kalayathu bakala Shah Thok pisa Haduh silak lai pulai hajar tingka halor kanong rem bakala Shah phasiu khajna syakatnat custom jang kawai ka kat lingsun hadeli kani ka kenthai habai kren ba ka Pati CTV ka ong bo haribel bakam bo de na United Kingdom bakadon jingi thu ithau link ba ka Facebook bat WhatsApp layathu bo lapha ajing aisngova shaka Tay ka Longkmie ka layo phone call na kawai ka kanthai ka bakam me ledi bakade nong tre jong tanat custom but kabla pha pansiu ki khazna du life sana jatingka hadien bakate ka Longkmie ka ladap transfer ya ka pisa tang hadien saukanta ka layo phone biang nakaju ka brio bat kala pha yakani ka Longkmie panthap biang sakhandai phra jar tingka hakaju ka account number na markete ki jing aisngoba ki kinthop ya ka pisa pasan pho jar pound Tay ka Longkmie ka lethu bakam don jing thumu shu Mansion de kala phone biang man kapor but kabakhadu kadai ka artrik rumpang hakapor arbaji janmien
I was cheated for a sum of rupees 1 lakh and 33,000 for which I was ordered to pay for some custom taxes at an airport in Delhi. You see, Harry, with whom I was befriended 1.5 months ago through Facebook and WhatsApp. I no claim to be from United Kingdom. He told me that he had sent me some gifts and parcels. I got a call from a woman who claimed to be an employee from custom office and asked me to pay rupees 35,000 for some custom taxes, which I transferred from my account to an account number 3602964 2532 IFSC SBIN 0006091 with the name Radhe Thakkar. I was expecting for those gifts, but after 4 hours the same lady called again and asked me to pay rupees 98,000 more and alleged that hard cash of 50,000 pound of UK currency was found in the parcel. Then I deposited the money to the same account number and contacted Harry, and he told me that he had sent cash of 50,000 pound and hide it in a parcel and don't know that it is illegal to send hard cash. So I was expecting for the gift that very day I deposited the amount. But afterwards I got a call again from a man who claimed to be custom employee and asked me to deposit rupees 25,000 2,50,000 in 2 account numbers that belongs to Jokhe Bagra 295301501146 ICI Bank IFCS ICIC. Then I was asked to pay rupees 2,25,000 as a penalty to that illegal cash of 50,000 pound. Since I have no more money to arrange, but I was being called again and again by this man, whom Harry told that his name is Parker Ronald and works for British High Commission in Delhi. This Parker threatened that if I'm not able to arrange the money in 3 days, he will come to my residence. I'm told I should be present with a lawyer. The last call he made was on 2nd February 2017 around 2 p.m.